Okay.
That's why people use dogs like toddlers. Toddlers are the ones that get out. So I've always thought, doesn't matter. Like I know they can be nice. Maybe
the mother is with her. He was trying to like save her.
Can do tricks.
Yeah. It's like a big Pokemon dot on the ground there.
Yeah. And coyotes will do that to a toddler too. They don't know. Oh my God, the seagull might attack.
Oh no.
Would they?
They could fly into it being stupid.
No, they don't try to eat it. I guess they don't really eat birds. So.
The noise kind of like scares them a little bit. But eagles and hawks, they don't care. They'll come right at anything.
Yeah.
They're fearless.
Where did we go up?
Yeah, the water there is nice too.
Oh. Right. Cool, right?
There's the fort. Yeah. I gotta fly it more, I think, that way. Yep, there we go. It's like the same thing over and over.
What?
Each section has like the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's more down that.
Yep, it's the same thing.
On forever. Like wow.
Yeah, it's all identical. See, it's like the same thing, the same format.
Oh wow. Look at
And
that.
this, with
I'll go
that,
further back so I get a
without all
better
this,
shot.
Bush right here to our left. It looked over the water.
Yep, there's the water there.
Yeah.
So you get surprise attack.
Yeah.
As long as I'm above trees, good. I'm above trees, so that's good. So what I could do,
How long goes this use? Oh yeah.
they go sideways like this. See?
How long goes this use?
What's that?
Does eBay.
20s, 40s. Chase, I haven't stopped picking those up, okay?
Gives me notifications for things I have bought in the past. Yeah, it looks like it just keeps going and going and going.
Endless fort.
There's a big house over there. Let's see that.
Joe, do you have a lighter?
Nope. There's a house right there.
Oh yeah.
For sure not.
It's okay, now I want to fly it over the water.
Well,
What I'm going to do is come backwards over the water. Because now I get a good shot at the whole fort this way. See that? So fly it sideways.
oh wow.
Oh my God. I want to go over there.
Go higher.
Down to that, top of that bunker. There's a ladder.
It's amazing. The views.
Doing screen recording too, so you can hear us talking. It's all video on the phone, recording this whole thing. So I can do pictures with the drone and the phone's doing the video. So I'm getting two at the same time. Yeah, that's amazing.
So you can imagine, like, with all this greenery gone, it would be
Oh yeah.
like you can see.
I just got cool pictures of like the cliff. Yeah, get the gardeners over here. Oh, there's the big pad that we were standing on.
Yeah. So yeah, you see why Joe, I was surprised that you guys were all impressed with that other little thing
Yeah.
there. I was like,
Well, I wanted to get a picture of the water and that little island in the middle. Yeah, but yeah, you're right. Like this is completely different ball game.
These fences are new, right? They're not
Absolutely.
from the 1920s or 1940s and stuff. These aren't old, right?
I think 1920 and 40.
They weren't here.
Obviously, like the concrete too is new.
Really?
Yeah, some of
They're
it.
trying to preserve it,
I
yeah.
don't think they had smooth concrete in 1940.
What island is that?
Originally it was stone.
Flying further away. What's that? That might have been something we
Oh,
looked
yeah,
at
Mobile.
before.
This is what they call it.
Okay.
Where did it go? It's gone.
I'll come back. I'm good at this.
Watch the sea.
It has the automatic fly to home feature, but I always fly it back manually.
Mom.
You'll start hearing it soon. It's coming in.
I think this is.
Yeah.
This was like laid probably in World War II. They probably laid
The top. The top is new, like probably the 1940s.
A couple hundred feet away. Coming in hot.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I hear it. It's very nice.
There it is.
Up, way up.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's hot.
Ready?
Lift it up. Getting closer for us. All right, everybody smile again.
It's a drone south of
Is that a picture? Like you can snap?
Yep. Got it.
Yeah, he's gonna snap him right out and then he goes on.
Scare everybody.
That would be like.
I got a lot of good practice with this thing, though. I got really good at it.
What a cute landing.